how I learned hiragana and katakana, and how I maintain how to, write and read the characters. It's mostly just about repetition, and if you put your mind to it, this will become easier and easier. So try it again. So just trace over the character a, and then i. U, e, and o. So back at school, my teacher would often use 5 characters as sets. So it's like a, I, U, E, O as the first set, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, and then reviewing the last set of characters, which was a, I, U, E, O. And that's pretty much how I did it. Is there a way to... No, there's not. So this was the second set. So ka, ki. And what's funny about ki and... there's characters ki, sa. I think it's ki and sa. So ki, you would do like this. Or you could do it like this. I know my handwriting isn't perfect. Ku. Ke. Here's ke. Ko. And here's ko. She would hold up a card. We would say what character this was. We would say it was a or o or u. And then eventually, what happened is we would move over to kanji. So kanji, if we look at JLPT N5. So if you're taking JLPT, you know that N5 is the easiest level and N1 is the hardest. So N1 having the most characters as well. N2 and N1 actually. I learned a lot of characters, so this means 1, 2, 3. This one means time. And like in textbooks, I would just trace over them and repeat the process. So something like this. I'm writing it fast, so it's not that neat. And then these characters were hard to memorize. So Kita, Minami, Minami South. Kita, Minami, Higashi, and Nishi, which is west. Oops. I'll just reset if you wrote it wrong, so there you go. That's Nishi. It's really fun to keep track of this app or the characters even, because the ones in red are the ones I need to practice. So recently I learned medicine, doctor, which is Igaku, meaning the study of medicine, study of the field of medicine. It's even used in shikai, which means dentist. Oisha-san, which is medical doctor. Here you go. And then later on, I kept track of every character or every kanji or word that I knew, had it in English. So let's say au, which is this one, meaning to meet. Aku, to open. Akeru, meaning the same thing. Ageru, to give. And so on and so forth. School-related vocabulary. There's like 73 words that I put in, 72 actually. But you get the idea. This one is toshokan, shiken, enpitsu, hon, tsukue, jugyo, shukudai, isu, kyokasho, kyoshitsu, sensei, so on and so forth. And the list gets harder and harder, so whatever words I put or whatever words I actually hear in podcasts or in anime, I just write down like hono. Hono means flames. So hono. You see the kanji for fire? It's ka, right? Like kayobi, that means Tuesday. Ka. And then there's two of the same characters, making it hono. And the list just goes on as I study Japanese. So this is just saying 4 years ago I moved to Pelican Town, this sentence. And then I was playing Stardew Valley, so I was writing down what was happening. So Stardew Valley, I married Sebastian, and in game we have two kids, Serenity and Raphael. It's like Raphael got sick, and one cutscene had Sebastian kind of panicking. What's wrong with Raphael and stuff. We visited Dr. Harvey. And then I just said in this sentence that every day Raphael takes medicine. And since I've played Stardew Valley for like 4 years in game, Serenity's already 3 years old, and Raphael's like 1. One way to put it is just write a diary of what happened during your day using Japanese. So like, today I ate breakfast would be like, 今日は朝ごはんを食べました。So I ate breakfast. 今日は 朝ごはんを食べました。That's how I do it. Thanks a lot for watching and hope this helped you.